everyone. Today we have a very interesting project. So in our agenda we have designing 3D star. We will also program and test it. So I would like to ask you, have you watched 3D movies? Okay. Yes. What do you observe? As you see here, the characters seems to come out and we see that as if they are very alive, isn't it? So, can you try to draw this 3D image in a paper? I'll give you some time. Okay, now can we draw a 3D star in Atlas Lab? Let's see whether we can draw or not. Let's get going. Log into code.org, go to Artist Lab and rename your project as 3D star. So I'm going to go to code.org. I have already logged in and I'm going to Artist Lab and I'm going to rename my project as 3D star and click on save. Now what you see here is we will get familiarized with our new project screen. So this is where we run our code. This is the block section and this is the workspace. Now let's watch how our 3D star will be. So I'm going to show you how our 3D star will look when we make our own 3D star. So here it goes. I'm running my code. See, we are making our own 3D star. Isn't it interesting? Yes, so let's get going and make our own 3D star. So first what we can do is we will go to actions block and drag this jump forward block and attach it here. After which what we will do, we will change forward to backward and we will make it jump by 90 pixels. So here our artist has jumped to 90 pixels backward. Now what we can do, step 2 is we can go to brush block and drag the set pattern. So as we saw here in our output that we had used a pattern, we can select this to make a star. Have you done step 2? So this is the rainbow pattern from the list that we have selected. Very good. Now I will introduce you to this block. Now what is this block? You might be wondering. So this block is a for loop block, but it has got few sections. Now this is where we will be choosing the counter from. So the counter is the variable that keeps track of the number that controls the loop. So for example, here in this case, we will have a counter as length, but the length of the star should start from some value, starting value. It can be, for example, this is the length starting value. Then since it is decreasing, we can keep it smaller till we have a smaller value. So if I see first when I'm making it slowly, I'm running this code slowly, see the length of the star is something like this. Now after some time the length of the stars will keep decreasing. So starting value, the length of some size, and slowly the length of the star is going on decreasing. If you see, it's going on decreasing. So star is becoming smaller and smaller and smaller. So that is what we have it here. So here it will be showing the range from the starting value to the ending value and by which value it should change. Okay, how much value it should change. So starting value, this is the stopping value, and step value is by how much it should change. So from 4 to 10, it is jumping two values. After 4, the next value will be 6, then 8, then 10. So here we will be using our code, this block, and we'll place it here. So from here we want the length of the star starting from 80 to 20, so that from bigger star it becomes smaller length star, and we'll change it by 1. Each after 80 should be 79 and so on, 78, 76, 75 till it reaches 20. Okay, so have you done that? Now we need to make a star of this length. So we'll go to functions, drag, draw a star. Okay, now so we can make it 5-point star or 6-point star. So this time we will make it 5-point star, means 5-sided star. Okay, a 5-point star will have 5 sides like 1, 2, 3 point, 4 point and 5 point. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-point star. So for that we will go to math, drag this and make it 5 because we want a 5-pointed star. Now length will be varying from 80 to 20. It will go on reducing. So from variables, we'll drag the length and place it here. So there you see, a star has been made by variable length. Okay, did you get this result? So let's run our code. I will just make it slow and then run our code. If you want to make it faster or medium, so first star length is 80. Now it is 79. It will go on reducing. Then it will be 78. So if I make it faster, you can understand the difference. It's going on reducing the length. And the star is becoming smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller till it reaches the length 20. There. So our code is done. Now, have you tested it? Very good. Click on share. Click on the link now. Right click on it, copy it, and go to any place wherever you want to paste. I will select a new tab, paste it, and now let's run our code again. There you are. Isn't it interesting? Now I'd like to ask you to summarize. What did you learn today? Yes, we learned about pattern block and for loop. So there's an assignment for you. Can you try to draw some more 3D drawings? Yes, please go ahead. Thank you.